In the week ahead, there are some important stories to watch out for in the world of business and finance, including investor reactions to US consumer price data or US inflation data and its potential impact on interest rate cuts, apart from Japan's search for its next prime minister and the Bank of England's expected slower pace of rate cuts compared to other central banks. This Reuters report tells you all about it.
From consumer price data in the US to the ECB's next move, these are the stories to watch in business and finance in the coming week. Investors are eyeing the US consumer price data report due on Wednesday. Markets are still gaming out how much the Fed will need to cut rates, heightening the importance of every data report. A sharp drop in consumer prices could be interpreted as a sign that economic growth has begun to slow more than expected, tipping the scales towards a jumbo cut. The Bank of England is expected to cut its rates more slowly than its peers, unless important data, such as Tuesday's monthly wages report, proves reassuring. A soft jobs report could benefit borrowers, but weaken the pound, which has boomed on bets the BoE will keep rates relatively high. Japan's next prime minister will inherit the developed world's biggest debt pile. Incumbent Fumio Kishida is stepping down over a slush fund scandal. Campaigning for the next PM begins on Thursday, ahead of a party vote at the end of the month. The Bank of Japan is independent, but the government can exert pressure. With the central bank's next meeting 1 week before the ruling party's vote, timing is tricky. The European Central Bank is all but certain to deliver its second rate cut this cycle, so investors will be looking for what comes next. Traders now fully price another cut after September and close to a 50% chance of an additional move this year. In mid-July, they saw less than a full chance of a post-September cut.